And Arrma is back once again with the new Mojave Grom. I think Arrma has really listened to the people, because in the Facebook group, a lot of people asked about a Mojave Grom back when the granite came out. And now we have one. I think they did a really good job on this one. Look at those colors. I mean, they really pop. The attention to detail from the characters inside of the truck, to the white lettering tires, to the colors of the wheels, to the accent colors. They did a really good job on this one. And they also look like they're gonna perform pretty well. There's some of the specs. Seem like that chassis is the same length as the new low-C NASCAR. I could be wrong, but it does seem to be larger than the Granite. It is larger than the Granite, and it looks like it might be a little bit longer than the Typhoon as well. Pre-orders are open now. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link down below in the description for you guys if you want to pre-order one. Also, I'm gonna put a link to the Facebook group that we have. A lot of helpful information there, guys, so make sure you check that out. What would you guys like to see next from Arrma in the Grom series? I got one in mind, but I'm gonna keep it to myself for right now. Hopefully they do it. Look like it's gonna be the same electronics, which work really well. I think these are gonna really be fun to go out and hang with your friends and to get them on a track. Also, just to bash them. Let me know what you guys think below. Let me know if you're gonna get one, what color you're gonna get. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.